Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use functions and list variables in C#. As you can see from the bottom right, it is debugging a random name from the list variable. Now we achieved this in Bolt by triggering a custom event, and it has one argument. Now all it's doing is getting the list item, and the list index is just a random number. Now I'm going to be showing you how to do this in C#. How do you make a list of strings in C#? First, you just go to the top, make sure it's in the class, and type in string as you usually do, but this time you'd put in little brackets here, and then you just name the variable. We'll just name it list of names, and then you're gonna put in curly brackets. Now this is a little weird. Usually when you use curly brackets, this is where you write in code for it to run something, but when it comes to list, you actually put in curly brackets to define the inside of the list. So in here we're just gonna write our strings. Now that we have our variable defined, let's go back and see what else we need to do. As you can see, we have an error here. Ignore this error, for it'll go away once we're done. As you can see, it is going into our custom event. Well, how are we going to make a custom event in C#? In C#, we call them functions. Now, functions are pretty easy to do. You just put in the name of the function, then you put void, and then the name of the function. And everything you do in between these curly brackets is what it will do when that function is called. Now, we still have the problem with the parameters. Now, you put in a parameter by defining a variable inside the parameter. You just put string and then the name of the parameter, and then you'll just put in the name of the variable wherever you want to use it inside the function. Now, as you can see, our debug list here has an error. That is because the parameter is empty. Now, we need to fill it by putting in the string, aka the name. Now, you do that by just putting in list of names, whatever you put the name of your variable as, then you put in the index. But we set it to be a random range, so we can't just put in a number. So we do that by just putting random.range, and then we'll put in the values. And we should be done here. And as you can see, it works. Now I'm going to turn this start function into an update, just so you can see it working every frame. Anyways, I hope this was useful in helping you learn C#, and I'll see you guys next time.